Your washing machine is shaking, walking across the floor, or vibrating so hard the house shakes during spin cycle. Here's what's causing it and how to fix it. Number 1. The machine isn't level. This is the most common cause. Every washer has adjustable legs at the bottom. Get a level, put it on top. Adjust each leg until the bubble is centered front to back and side to side. Tighten the lock nut to hold it in place. Free fix. Number 2. Load imbalance. One heavy towel on one side of the drum creates a lopsided spin. Redistribute the clothes evenly around the drum. Front loaders are more sensitive to this than top loaders. Number 3. Worn shock absorbers or suspension springs. Front loaders use shock absorbers. Top loaders use suspension springs. When they wear out, the drum bounces during spin cycle. 150 to 300 to replace, depending on how many need swapping. Number 4. Damaged drum bearings. If the shaking comes with a loud grinding or roaring noise, the bearings are failing. This is a bigger repair, $250 to $450. At that price, apply the 50% rule. Number 5. Broken counterweight. The concrete or cast iron weights attached to the drum can crack or come loose. Less common, but when it happens, the vibration is extreme. $200 to $350. Quick test. Run an empty cycle on spin. If it's still shaking with nothing inside, it's a mechanical problem, not a loading issue. Same-day washer repair. All brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.